Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to download and install WhatsApp without Google Play Store. If you want to download and install your WhatsApp without Play Store, so let's see how to do that. I will show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Chrome. After that, choose and open Google Chrome. And in this here write and search WhatsApp download. After that, scroll down. You can see download WhatsApp for Android. If you want to download your Android for WhatsApp, in this you can choose and open this option, download WhatsApp for Android. Open it. And in this you can easily download and install WhatsApp without Google Play Store. So let's see how to do that. After that, you can see download WhatsApp directly and then download icon. So click here, download icon. You can see downloading file. That's mean I can easily download WhatsApp without Google Play Store. After that, right top corner 3 button option, click on it. After that, choose and open downloads. You can see WhatsApp app download easily without Google Play Store, and then 3 dot line, click on it. You can see share, rename and delete, and in this you can easily install WhatsApp. So let's see. After that, choose and open it. So click here WhatsApp. WhatsApp, do you want to install this app? And then you can choose install, click on it. WhatsApp app installed. After that, open it. Welcome to WhatsApp. Choose your language to get started, and in this you can choose and select your own language. I can choose first language English. After choose language, and then you can see this icon, click on it. Welcome to WhatsApp. Choose agree and continue, click on it. Allow WhatsApp to send your notification, choose allow. And in this you can choose and select your WhatsApp phone number, and in this I can choose my WhatsApp phone number. After that, choose continue. Enter your phone number. WhatsApp will need to verify your phone number. After, choose and select your own country, and then write your WhatsApp phone number. After that, you can see next option, click here. Verified, your number has been securely verified on this device. After that, choose continue. Choose continue. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts, choose allow. Again choose allow, and then choose allow all. Register your chats, register your messages and media from Google storage. If you don't register now, you may not be able to register later. After that, you can see I can choose register. Register complete, and then next. And in this way you can easily download and install WhatsApp without Google Play Store. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.